In this last video in the Week 5 series, we will discuss GIS programming using Python. If you're performing the same tasks repeatedly or you find yourself performing manual fixes, you likely can reduce your effort through custom code. Programming in GIS allows you the flexibility to perform specific tasks to your job, enhancing the basic GIS functions to fit your needs. You can also use it to perform quality control audits and updates of data without the need of the dreaded manual data entry. Model Builder can actually export to Python and is a great starting point for many programming projects. Python is a programming language that lets you work more quickly and integrate your systems more effectively. If you are going to script in GIS, then Python is the language for you. It's easy to learn and excellent for beginners, yet superb for experts. It's highly scalable, suitable for large projects or small one-off programs known as scripts. It's portable, cross-platform, and embeddable, making GIS scriptable. It's stable and mature. It has a large user community, and Python extends across GIS and becomes the language for data analysis, data conversion, data management, and map automation, helping increase productivity. Python is the scripting language of choice for ArcGIS users because it is simple and easy to learn, free and open source, cross-platform compatible, interpreted, not compiled, and it's object-oriented. When Python opens, you'll see what's known as the interactive window. The interactive window can be a good place to practice with Python. The interactive window is very similar to the Python window in ArcGIS. To actually write a new script, click File, New, and choose Python script. Notice a blank page opens that looks a whole lot like Notepad. However, the nice thing about this interface is that the code is color-coded and the default font Courier is the one typically used by programmers. Spacing and indentation, which are important in Python, are also easy to keep track of in this interface. The standard toolbar contains tools for loading, running, and saving scripts. This toolbar is visible by default. Notice the undo and redo buttons, which can be useful to you as a programmer. Also notice the run button, which looks like a little running person. This is a good way to test your scripts without having to double-click the file in Windows Explorer. The Debugging Toolbar contains tools for carefully reviewing your code line by line to help you detect errors. This toolbar is visible by clicking View, Toolbars, and Debugging. While you will get a little programming experience in the UWF lab this week, we obviously can't teach you everything there is to know about programming for GIS in one short lesson. There are a variety of online resources that can teach you how to program for GIS. If you have a basic knowledge of computer programming, you're well on your way to being able to program for GIS. Programming for GIS just adds the spatial element to the programming logic. This concludes the lectures for Week 5. The UWF Lab 2011 Tohoku Tsunami Evacuation was developed as a guided real-world GIS project. Using a disaster scenario, you will practice skills for the preparation, maintenance, and organization of spatial data. We introduced some new, more advanced spatial analysis and geoprocessing tools, as well as introducing Model Builder and Python to automate workflows. This lab takes a different approach by building on what you have learned so far and preparing you for working with GIS in a variety of different situations. I hope you are enjoying the class so far and look forward to seeing you online.